Friends, let us discuss question number 1. According to the first question, a football of radius r is capped over a hole of radius small r, and this hole has been made on a plank which is capped horizontally. So over here is a plank somewhere within this plank there is a hole of radius small r, and a football of radius capital R is capped over this hole. So here is a football of radius capital R, and this football is capped over this hole. If point P happens to be the point of contact of the football, then this point P should be touching this point C. Now let's read further. One end of the plank is now lifted so that it's get tilted, making an angle theta from the horizontal position as shown in this following figure. So the one end of the plank is lifted, keeping the other end fixed. If we see the whole figure, if we see the whole picture from the side, then this is how it should look like. Let's assume this side to be x, y in this diagram. This point is x and this point should be y. Let's read further. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find maximum value of theta so that football does not starts rolling down the plank. So we are supposed to find maximum value of theta for which football does not starts rolling down. Is that right? So that value of theta for which football stays within this hole, it does not roll down. Is that right? We are supposed to find that particular condition. So what solution has been provided is, the argument is, if you look at this figure, the weight of the football is W. This passes through the base of this hole, and that is why this football is in the stable condition and it should not be able to roll over this plank. Is that right? And if we tilt this plank further, so this is how the figure now should look like in this diagram. If you see these two things carefully, in the second diagram, the plank XY has been tilted further compared to its previous case. Now the weight mg happens to pass through the edge of this base. Now because this weight, the weight happens to just passing to the edge of this base, about to leave this base, and hence this football is about to roll down. This is what I am telling you, and we'll discuss in a short while. So anyway, let's continue with the argument. This angle is theta and this football is about to roll down. So this is theta, this angle got to be 90 minus theta, and hence this angle is also 90 minus theta. This angle should be theta. So in triangle COB, sin theta is equals to CB by OB, and this is equals to small r by capital R. So this is the condition. As long as this condition is followed, as long as theta is less than sin inverse r by r, this football will not roll over this plank XY. But as I told you, I differ with this argument. I mean, though this answer matches with one of the option given in the problem, but I do differ from this particular argument. You see, I mean, when a football rolls over a plane, this is a football or this is a sphere, and this is the plane. I mean, then notice that the rolling condition requires that the line joining the point of contact till the center PO must be perpendicular to the surface on which it is rolling. Is that right? And this is always satisfied, whatever may be the case, object rolling on a plane surface or the object rolling on the inclined plane. In any of the case, the line joining point of contact till the center, this line must be perpendicular to the plane in which the object is rolling, and this is not happening. And that is why I differ from this argument. The maximum value of theta for which this football should roll should be given by this condition. So I disagree to it. As we rotate Planck xy further, a situation arrives when this football starts rotating about this point of contact B. When it rotates about point of contact B, then in a particular situation, at a particular moment, this line BO becomes perpendicular to the Planck xy. So this will be the moment when this football will begin to roll. So the condition that the football begins to roll is that the BO should become at least perpendicular to xy. This is the primary requirement for the rolling. Next, let's assume at this particular moment the plane of the circle subtends, makes angle alpha with the Planck, and if this is angle alpha, then the angle made by the plane with BO will be 90 minus alpha, and angle COB will be equals to alpha. Angle COB is equals to alpha. Further, simple argument will also suggest that as weight W is always vertically downward, and hence this angle BOW is will always be equals to alpha, and the simple argument will also suggest that at this particular moment when this football is about to roll, and the angle made by the Planck with the horizontal is alpha. Now in triangle COB, sine of alpha equals to CB by OB, and this is equals to small r by r. So the answer to this question is still small r by r. This angle sine alpha is equals to small r by r still matches with one of the option, but you see, my argument is different than the argument presented by the different masters in the field. So this should give you the enough idea under what condition this football will start rolling down.